Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check IMEI number on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, the IMEI number can provide information about the device, such as its model, manufacturing date, and country of origin. This information can be useful when buying or selling a used device. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, so here scroll down until you find about phone option and tap on it. Well, and on this page, you will find the IMEI number of your device. So for the second way, open the link app on your device. And here you can type the following code. Okay, so you will find the information about the IMEI number of your device here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check IMEI number on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.